Are you facing the error check-in is not available on iMessage on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update? No worries. Here's an advanced solution on how to solve check-in not available on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing so, ensure that you have a proper internet connection. And now, try this easy solution. Solution 1. Enable or turn off airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds. Then turn it off. Solution 2. Check your location services settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. After that, tap on location services and ensure that your location services are turned on. Solution 3. Enable check-in data for your iMessage. Open settings, scroll down, tap iMessage, scroll down again, tap check-in data. Set this to full. Solution 4. Try to reset network settings to fix your problem. Open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, then tap on reset. Select reset network settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. So this is the way you can fix the check-in is not available problem on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, and if you still have any problems, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.